Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to build a working chunk loader in Minecraft 1.2 1.5 using just a few simple steps. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more awesome Minecraft tips. Start by digging straight down 8 blocks deep. This will be the base of our chunk loader. Once you've reached the bottom, jump and place a soul sand block below you. Now equip a water bucket and standing on top of the soul sand, right-click upwards block by block as you go up, placing water all the way back to the surface. This turns the column into a bubble elevator that pushes entities upward, a key part of the chunk loader. Now, from the top of the water column, throw an ender pearl directly down into the bubble elevator. This will cause the ender pearl to hover in a loaded chunk, keeping the area active even when you leave. And that's how this chunk loader works. That's it. You now have a simple and effective chunk loader in Minecraft 1.215. Use this to keep farms running or redstone machines active while you explore. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot for more Minecraft hacks and guides. Thanks for watching and happy crafting.